Assalamu alaikum, welcome back to Tech and Talk. My name is Salman and I am your graphic designer teacher. So today video we will discuss about why Freepik take too much time to approve your files on Freepik, or second question is how long does Freepik take to approve their files. There are three main points we will discuss in this video, that why Freepik take too much time to approve your files. And before starting our video, if you are new to my YouTube channel, please like and subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon for more content like this. So let's start our video. First of all, first question, how long does Freepik take to approve the files? You can see that on when I search on Google, you will get the 20 days period, 20-day period, which is the 20 working days. That means that if you are in Pakistan, then there is 5 working days in a week, Monday to Friday, and Saturday, Sunday is off. So that means it will almost take 4 weeks to approve your files. On other countries, maybe 6 days or 5 days, you can say that working days, it will depend upon your country. The next question is why Freepik take too much time to approve your file. There are three main reasons. Number one reason is told by the Freepik, which is there is too much user on Freepik. So Freepik team is difficult to handle too much users. So that's why they will take some time to approve the file of a contributors. As you can see that this figure is told by the Freepik official website. 32 million users visit the Freepik and flat icon monthly, and we get more than 1200 million downloads. You can see that in addition, contributors content gets almost 50% downloads of the total amount. Now you can see that this is the huge number of contributors to contribute on Freepik. So this is the first reason that there is too much user on Freepik contributor account. So it will take some time to approve your file. The second reason is if you are a new user, then there is some issue with your account. You can say that if you are a new, then Freepik will not approve your file before 20 days. So this is the some restriction. If your account is older than 1 year and your file number of files is more than 1000, then Freepik easily approve your file within 2 to 3 days, or you can say that within a week easily. And you can upload more than 3000 files as well at a single time without any issue, without any rejection issue on Freepik account. Third reason is most of the contributors did not stay consistent on Freepik account. This means that if you upload 10 files on 1 week, because minimum number of files on Freepik you can upload is 10 files. If you upload 10 files in a 1 week and then you will take a break of 4 weeks and then upload 10 files, this means that you are not consistent on the Freepik account. If you make sure to be consistent on Freepik, you can say that you can upload 3 times in a week, and this process will take almost 2 months. This means that every week you upload 3 times, and every month you must upload 12 times on the Freepik account. This means that you are consistent on your account. After 1 to 2 months, Freepik will recognize you as a consistent contributor and will automatically reduce your approval file time according to their algorithm. So this is the three main reasons. One is the number of user on Freepik. Second is your new account, and third is the consistency issue for most of the contributors on Freepik. If you have any knowledge about why Freepik approves their file too much late, then you can share in the comment section of this video. And you can say that there is another option or minor issue, which is the new category introduced by the Freepik, which is the AI. And you can see that there is a new option, the AI images and the videos option. Freepik recently introduced these two options, AI images and video. So because of this, number of files is too much uploaded by the contributor, and the Freepik team will take time to approve their files. So you can say that this is the another reason why Freepik late approve your files, your vector file, PSD file, and your photos. And you can say that there is a difference between the vector file, photos, and video approval rate. Most of the time your vector file will easily approve within 2 to 3 days, and your AI file, or you can say that JPG file, will take almost 2 to 3 weeks to approve the file. And the video section, video will take almost 4 to 6 weeks to approve their video, because of this category is new and Freepik algorithm is working on it, and so the approval time is a little late on videos category, and the approval time of PSD and template is as well minimum 1 week to 4 week. So if you want to join the Freepik account, you can check the link of the Freepik account in my video description, and you can join Freepik easily and contribute your work on Freepik account. So that's it. Today video is end. In the next video, we will discuss another topic with another solution. Till then, Allah Hafiz.